Hey, good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Patience and Strategies. I'm actually on Club Fitness's parking lot right now. As you guys can see, on Thanksgiving Day. So, I need to go to my brother's house this afternoon, but I woke up this morning and decided to put in a really good workout, which I did, and now I'm cooking. What the hell is it? I don't know what the hell it is. Can creamy chicken noodle. So I put that in a bowl with some leftover chicken fried rice that I had picked up yesterday at the fast food shop or at the China Garden. And now I'm heating it up because I'm hungry. And this has got about another 3 minutes to run. And it's powering off of my 1024 watt EcoFlow. Solar panels are actually feeding it electric, as you guys can see. But I'm also using 1,000 watts of electric. So in 5 minutes, now I'm down 5%. So in 2.5 minutes, it used 5% on my EcoFlow. And that doesn't matter because I've got solar panels, so it's going to keep charging it. But if you had to run this thing for probably 10 minutes, you would be down to 80%, maybe 75%. So that's just something to remember. You guys are cooking on the road like I do. And right over there is my fridge, as you guys can see. That powers off of my battery. My batteries are recharged by the solar panels. So I got 300 watts of power on top. One solar panel goes to my inverter in the back, and my other two feed this one right here. Feed that inverter. So, and this is my propane tank. I got some small propane tanks I need to fill. I'll do that this afternoon. Because in St. Louis, it got pretty chilly last night. It got pretty chilly. So, but it didn't bother me much. I was in the back. I think the lowest it got last night, I think, was 58 degrees. And then I just hired up. I got a little buddy in here too, so I've got two of them. I've got one in here and one in the back. And primarily what I'm trying to do is keep my water from freezing, because I've got a portable sink I made back here. I'll show you. And those of you that haven't seen it, this is my portable sink I made. And basically my water jugs are in here. This holds about 4.5 gallons of water. And what I've got is my regular jig. If you guys want to see how I made it, go to my video where I made my sink. You guys would really be impressed, I think. But basically, just turn that on, and my food is done. I just heard a ding. You guys probably heard it too. And after you wash your hands or whatever, you just, throw the water out and put it back in. All right, there's my soap that's on a Velcro. And that's pretty much it. Everything here is just so freaking simple, it's not even funny. I've got some more soup over here, some chili, some forks and bowls, and this is my divider with a whole bunch of non-essential stuff that I'd rather have and not need. Let's go see what our food looks like. See if it's hot. See if our food's hot. I'm ready to eat. So, oh yeah. There's that. Looks good. The sweet and sour chicken is right up underneath the creamy chicken noodle. What the can says. And then this is just more creamy chicken noodle because I still had a half a can left over. So I'm going to sit back and enjoy this. You guys have a great Thanksgiving. If you got any questions or comments, let me know, and I will answer your questions ASAP. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more updates. All right. Later.